So in curve fittings, we are going to have different types of uh, curves are there. Like for example, how to fit a straight line. Fitting of a straight line is your first concept. Then fitting of a parabola is your second concept. Fitting of a exponential curve and fitting of a power curve. We have to discuss these four different curves, how to fit. For example, this one, if you see this one, suppose this is your coordinate axis corresponding for any x value. Suppose y value will be given. And suppose again for x value, y value will be given. X value, y value will be given. X value, y value will be given. So using the x value and y value, where they are intersecting, this line we have to find out, which is nothing but a straight line. Fitting of a straight line. So how the question will come in exam? There are three types to ask the question in exam. First type is this one. 2 marks question. Explain the principle of least square. The only things you have to write it is this one. The error sum of square is minimum. The error sum of square is minimum. The straight line is this one. We take this one as equation number 1. And the another way of asking this question is write the normal equations for this straight line. Normal equation for the straight line. So these are the normal equation. And if suppose in exam they may ask you to write the procedure, explain the procedure to fit a straight line of the form. Clearly it is mentioned in our question paper which form is this. It is y is equal to a plus bx form. So we have two variables here, a and b. So what we have to do by the principle of maximum and minima, because we have two variables, we have to differentiate. Two variables are there. That is why we have to differentiate with respect to x partially and equating to 0. We get the normal equations. So this is the process of finding the normal equations. In the exam, if we ask to write the procedure, you have to completely show this procedure. Okay, we have to differentiate the value of this one. See, error sum of square minimum means how to write. Error is denoted with capital E. Error is denoted with capital E. And sum is denoted with sigma. Sigma or summation we say. This is the straight line we have. Y minus a minus bx. What I am doing? I am going to take this plus values also this side. So y minus a minus x whole is, this is the square, and then is equal to, see how to read, error sum of square of whatever the value it is minimum means it is equating to 0. This English language we have to just write down in a maths language. The error is denoted with E. Sum is denoted with the sigma. Square means this is the square. E means equal to. Minimum means equal to 0. So in this way, we have to find out the normal equations. So question number 1, that finding the normal equations. Question number 2, maybe expected question, that is for statement of principle of least square. And now normal equation means explain the procedure of finding the curve. Normal equation, how to find out. This comes under this topic. Now after that, we have to go for simply problem. Look at that. After that, we have to go for the problem. And everybody, please keep your calculator ready with you, because I'm going to solve for the corresponding x values. We have some y values are given. We have to fit a perfect straight line for this given data. Now, So we have to assume, let us assume that we have to assume that our straight line will be like that. Let us assume that y is equals to a plus bx is the straight line. Choice is yours. You can either assume a plus bx or ax plus b, both will represent the straight lines only. This is taken as equation number 1. Okay. For this corresponding x values and y values, I am assuming this is your straight line. Boys, girls, anyone, if it is there in the class, please send me the attendance screenshot. Now you see, we have x values, we have y values. Okay, before x and y values, we have to find out their normal equations. Now you see in this page, what are the normal equations? These are the normal equations. These are the normal equations. This one. Summation y is equals to NA plus summation bx, summation xy is equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. These are the normal equations. You need not to show the procedure of for finding the normal equations. You have to use the normal equation directly. So यहाँ पे लिखेंगे अपन, we know that the normal equations are normal equations are look at that. What are the normal equations? Summation y is equals to NA plus B summation x. This is your first equation. First equation already done, so need not to write once again the equation. Okay. Next, one more normal equation is summation xy is equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. B summation x square. These are the normal equation. After that, we have to take the x values and y values. From the x values and y values, what is our requirement? We need the sum of y, means we have to add all the y values. Summation of x means adding x values. X square means we have to take the square of the x and then adding. And summation xy means x and y we have to multiply. So in your question paper, if it is given, you have to draw the table here separately. But here I am not going to draw the table because it will take a lot of time. Directly I'm writing x values. X values are what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the x values. Look at that. In our question, it is already there. X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. The corresponding y values. The corresponding y values are 5, 6, 8, then 10, then 12. After that, these are the columns we required: x square and xy. X square means it is 0 only, it is 1 only, it is 4 only, it is 9 only, it is 16. X into y means it is 0, 6 ones are 6, 8 twos are 16, 3 tens are 30, and 12 fours are 48. Can somebody do it the sum of this and tell me the answer, please? Can somebody do it the sum of this and tell me the answer? Answer of this, which is called summation x. Answer of this, which is called summation y. Answer of this, which is called summation x square. I am doing very, very easy problem. Okay, because maybe most of the students, they did not join. This is the pattern I am doing. Yeah, tell me summation x value. Anyone, please? What is summation x? Yes, hello. Yes, you can give me the answer in chat box also. Summation x value 7, 8, 9, 10, 22, 30, 36. This is 41. Summation x square is 25, 29, 30. X into y means 48, 30, 16, 6. It is 100. After that, we have to plug in these values in our equations. Where to plug? Here we have to plug this one. Summation y value, n value. N is very important. Here n value is total data points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. So if you plug in here the values and get the answer, n value is 5. So it is 5a plus summation x value is 10 means it is 10b is equals to summation y. Summation y value is equals to 41. 41. We take this is a second equation. Similarly, next equations are summation x is 10a. It is 10a plus next summation x square is 30b. 30b is equals to summation xy value is 100. This is taken as equation number 3. Now we know the process of solving these equations. We have to solve this equation by using your calculator. Okay, so that you will get your a value is equal to 4.6. After decimal, I am using only one stage here. A is equal to 4.6 and b is equal to 1.8. So after getting a and b value, we get a best fitted straight line. Y is equal to a plus bx. A value is a cap plus b cap x value we required. Okay, so then b cap of x is equals to, this is y is equals to a cap value is 4.6 plus b cap value is 1.8. B value is 1.8 times 6. So this is your final solution of this problem. Okay. This is the problem we have done. This is based on the normal equations. I think this one is not required. So this one I'm going to erase. This is the equation number 1. These are the normal equations and we have done one question based on this. Now next, moving to the next one. That is, explain the procedure to fit a parabolic curve. In our question paper, it is clearly mentioned that parabolic curve. There is another way, parabola also it may give. Sometimes it may give a polynomial also. Will have the same meaning. Polynomial. Polynomial, parabolic curve, parabola will be same. Sometimes the parabola may be like this also. Ax square plus bx plus c. Both will represent the parabola only, parabolic curve only. Usually the curve will be like that. This is your parabola, like that. It may have like this also. Both represent the parabola only. So now you see here we have three variables, A, B, C. Again, we have to use the same concept by the principle of least square. The error sum of square is minimum. So error is represented with E here. E is equal to, normally E can be written in mathematical language. It is actually epsilon is equal to summation y minus a minus bx by bx minus cx square whole square. Error sum of square is minimum. So we have three variables. So differentiate partially with respect to a. A coefficient is -1 here. And then simplify n value. N a means summation a value. Summation n value is 1. Like we have to differentiate with respect to b. B coefficient is -x. Simplify. With respect to c. C coefficient -x square. Simplify. In exam, this question is asking so many times. You see normal equations for parabola. Very important. Maximum cases you may get this question. Normal equations for the parabola. You have to memorize these equations. This one, equation number 3, equation number 4, equation number 5 are called the normal equation for the parabola. Okay. Again, like a straight line only, we have three variables are given. We are finding three equations. Those are called normal equations. And if you get the values of A, B, C, we get the best fitted parabola. Based on that, I want to do it one question here. One more question I'm taking. So this question again with some simplification solution. Let I am considering the parabola will be, your choice is there. Either you can assume this one as a plus bx plus cx square. Choice is yours. I am taking this one. Y is equal to a. Sometimes in the paper it is mentioned which type of parabola you have to take it. If it is not mentioned, choice is yours. This is equation number 1 will be taken. After that, we write the normal equations. We know that the normal equations are the normal equations are, look at that. What are the normal equations? You have to memorize, as I said, summation y is equals to NA plus B summation x, NA plus B summation x plus C summation x square, C summation x square. And now next, summation xy is equal to summation xy is equals to A summation x plus B summation x square plus C summation x cube. Okay. Rule number 10, can you unmute yourself and give me the answers of this? Do you have a calculator with you? Hello? Hello? Yes?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who is that?
Sir, rule number 13.
Okay, no problem. Please give me the answers of this. Do you have a calculator?
Yes, sir.
I hope this problem is clear for all students. ये जो फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठते हैं आप ही से नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am writing the values of x. It is x.
Okay, sir.
Very small problem I am taking. 0, 1, 2. It may have some 10 values also. No problem. And y values are corresponding. Y values are 1, 6, 17. Now you see, according to our question, what is our, I think we have forget one more equation to write. Let me write it. We have one more equation here. This is a summation x square into y. Summation x square into y is equals to a summation x square In the exam, there is no need of derive this equation. That is a different question. If it is asking to explain the procedure, in that case, you have to derive the equations. If the problem is given, we need not to derive the equation and simplify. We have to write down just to we know that. Now start your work taking x values. I'm taking very small problem, 0, 1, 2. And please give me the sum of this. Now summation y. Y values are 1, 6, 17. Again, I want the sum of this. Now x square we require 0, 1, 4. This sum also we require x cube 0, 1, 8. This one sum also we require x to the power of 4. 0, 1 to power 4 is 16. This sum also we require x into y. This is 0, 6 ones are 6, 7 twos are 34, 17 twos are 34. Sum of this and then x square into y. X square into y is 0. And this is x square is 1 into 6 is 6. Then x square is 4. 17 4s are 68. Now tell me the values of this answers. Summation x is
The
3. No?
summation of x,
Yes, 3. Next, tell me summation y.
24.
Yeah, it is correct. Summation x square 5 now.
Yes, sir.
Summation x cube 9.
9.
Summation x cube 9. I am taking a small problem. Summation x power 4 is 17.
Yes, sir.
Summation xy
40.
40. And summation x square y value is
74.
exactly. After this, we have to plug all these values in our normal equations. So once n you see 0, 1, only 3. N value is 3. So just to plug in these values in our normal equations. So n value is 3 means it is 3a. Again plus 3b. Here I am going to substitute. यहाँ पे रखोगे 3a. Summation x is 3, so 3b. Summation x square is 5, so 5c like that. Is equal to summation y value is 24. So 3a plus 3b plus 5c. Plus 5c is equals to 24. Now we take this is equation number 1. Next, if you plug in, you will get 3a and 5b. Here I am substituting. Summation x is 3a and x square is 5b. Now next, x cube is 9c. 9c is equal to summation xy value is 40. Now this is you have taken second equation. Okay. Now next is x square. X square is 5a plus x cube is 9b plus x to the power of 4 is 17c is equals to summation x square y value is 74. This is equation number 3. Now you solve it this 3 equation using the calculator. If you don't know the procedure, I'll tell you the procedure. Solving the equation. Simply you can go to the calculator, setup mode.
Yes, sir.
Fifth is the option. Okay. And second option you have to choose. Then plug in the values. Means their coefficients. 3 is equal to 3 is equal to 5 is equal to 24. Directly it is equal to D form is there. Is equal to next 3 is equal to 5 is equal to 9 is equal to 40 is equal to. Then 5 is equal to 9 is equal to 17 is equal to 74 is equal to and again is equal to. Tell me the answer of this first value.
X is equals to 1, sir.
Very good. X is equal to 1 means obviously A is 1.
Y is equal to 2.
Y is equal to 2 means B value is 2.
Z is equals to 3.
Z is equal to 3 means C value is 3. So we have taken the perfect straight line, sorry, parabola is A plus Bx plus Cx square. Okay, now if you plug in the values of A, B, and C, we get our answer is Y is equal to A is 1
1 plus 2 is
plus 2x plus 3x square, which is looking
x
like a
square.
perfect parabola. Okay, this is autonomous syllabus. Don't expect lengthy question. Okay, so you will get the small type of question, but my intention to just to show the procedure how to solve it. Understand the concept?
Yes,
Don't
sir.
worry, need not to write. I will send this PDF also in your group. Now next we have power curve. Power curve means here, I think we have to do it. This one later on, I will erase it. A b to the power of x sometimes, or b a to the power of x. Both are same only. Power curve only. Power is there. Now what we have to do it here is, what I am doing, I am explaining the procedure how to fit log. I am taking on both sides. Log y is equal to log. Pariha is there in the class. Pariha. Log a into b is log a plus log b. Next, log y is equals to log y is equals to log a plus b summation x. Okay. So log x to the power of n can be written as n log x, means we say that it is x log b. After that, what I am doing here is, let us assume that capital Y is taking place of log y. Capital A is replaced with small log a, and log b will be replaced with like that. So this will become, this equation number 1 will become, after plug in all these values, it will become like this. Capital Y is equals to A plus B. X is your choice. Either you can take small or capital. Again, it has become a straight line only. Straight line means immediately we have this form. This form. Straight line के normal equations देखिए आप. Here we have summation y is equal to, same thing we have to use it. अब क्या लिखना उसके बाद? We know that the normal equations of the straight line is summation capital Y is equal to small n into capital A plus capital B into summation x. Same thing. Summation capital X into capital Y is equals to capital A into summation x plus capital B into summation x square. The same normal equation we have to use it for this power curve, and moreover for exponential curve also same concept. So here we have to write it directly. I'm writing the normal equations of straight line is straight line, which is already we have done, is what are the normal equations? Just a small and capital is the changes. Small and capital is the changes. So it is like that. Summation capital Y is equal to NA plus capital B into summation X. Summation XY. Summation XY is equals to A into summation X plus roll number 10. What's your name? Hello. Let's see, we have one problem. Okay. I think we have only 5 minutes time. So let us do it थोड़ा speed करेंगे. Y is equals to a b power x is your perfect power curve is there. And we know that the normal equations are, we know that the normal equations are summation y is equals to, not small, we have to take capital. Summation capital Y is equals to NA plus B summation X summation XY is equal to A summation X plus B summation X square. We have taken this one from the first page, slide number 1. Now after that we have X values are given, Y values are given. X values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Y values are 8.3. Actually, this is your writing mistake. Sorry, this is 15.4 actually. 15.4. This is 33.1. Okay, make a necessary correction here. It is 65.2 and this is 127.4. Now, this is very special case we required. See, in our normal equations, we have to replace finally with the log. We have taken a substitution. So, this is a small y value. We have to convert into log y. Capital Y भी required. अपने आंसर में कैपिटल Y की जरूरत है. So capital Y is nothing but log of small y. And how to get the value of log of small y means in your calculator. Okay, in your calculator already we have log option is there. Log of, we have to take this value 8.3 bracket close and equal to. Will get your answer. कैलकुलेटर में लॉग रहता देखिए, मैं सैंपल के लिए आपको बता दे रहा हूं 0.9191. This is 1.18. This is 1.1875 and this is 1.5198 and 65 means we get 1.8142. This is 2.1052. 2.1052. 2.1052. This is after that we have to, we required capital X, that is a square. Small and capital, no problem. 4, 9, 16, 25 and then 36. Then X into Y. X into Y means we have to multiply X into Y. This 2 into 8.3. Capital X into capital Y. X into Y. So this 2 into 0.9191. Yes. See, we have to multiply this with this X value. So we get our answer is 1.8382. 3.5625. 6.0792. 9.0710 and then 12.6312. Now we have to take the sum of this. We have to take the sum of this. We have to take the sum of this. Okay, and we have to take the sum of this. So once if we take the sum of all these values, we get our answers are here. It is 20. Summation Y value is 7.5455. You can verify this answer. This is 90. This is 33.1819. Now, if you plug in these values here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Data points are 5 here. So 5, 5A, plus summation x is 20. 20b is equals to 7.5455. And this is 20a plus 90b is equals to 33.1819. If you solve, you get your a value is 0.3091. B value is 0.3. But most important thing is we don't want capital A. We want a small a in our question. This one. So we have to take log this side, anti-log. So for anti-log, what we have to do? We have to take 10 to the power of this value 0.3091. We get our answer is 2.0375. And again, 10 to the power of, if you take this is nothing but a small a, and then small b is equals to 1.9953. If you perfectly fit, you will get your straight line will be 2.0375. This is a, and our b value is 1.9953, and this is whole to the power of x. This is your final answer. And thank you everyone for your cooperation. We have done 3 problems. We have one more question based on the exponential curve that will be sent in your group. Thank you very much. This class is over. Somebody please take the attendance screenshot.